Fourth grade into math lesson 15.1 part 2. On your own, number 3. Brad has some water in a bucket. He pours 3/10 liters of water on some houseplants. Now there are 4/10 liters of water in the bucket. How many liters of water did Brad have in the bucket before watering the plant? Okay, so what do we need to circle? 3/10 liters, 4/10 liters, and then how many liters did Brad have in the bucket before watering the plant? Now this is a little tricky because it says before, right? Okay, so we need to decide, are we finding the total or are we finding the part? We're finding the total because 3/10 is part of what he poured on the plant, right? Okay, and then 4/10 is the other part that was left in the bucket. And we need to figure out how many liters of water did he have in the bucket before watering the plant. So the word before lets me know we are going to add. Okay, remember what I do, you do. Okay, so what am I going to do? 3/10 plus what? 4/10 equals what? 7/10. What's my label? 7/10 liter. Number 4, Lily spends 3/5 hour reading, 2/5 hour helping her mother, and 1/5 hour playing with her little brother. How many hours does Lily spend on these tasks? Okay, so we have 3/5, 2/5, 1/5, and then they want to know how many hours does Lily spend on these tasks. And they want us to make a visual model this time, correct? To show our work. Okay, so I'm going to draw fraction bar. How many pieces am I splitting it into? What's my denominator for all of those? 5. So 1/5. Okay, so for the first one I shade in how many? 3. The next one I shade in how many? 2. Do I have enough to shade in another 1/5? Nope, so I need to draw another model and break it into 5 pieces. And then how much of that one do I need to color in? What's my last one? 1, right? Shade in 1 area. Okay, so how many total 1/5 pieces do I have colored in? 6. So 6/5. Or if I also look at that, how many holes did I have colored in? 1 and then 1/5, right? But I can also say 6 divided by 5 is 1 because 5 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. And keep my same denominator of 5, right? So what is my answer? 1 and 1/5 hours. Okay, number 5. A skate park has 4 trails that are less than 1 mile in length. Spencer wants to walk more than 15/10 miles, but less than 19/10 miles. Which trails could he walk? So, what can we do? Which ones could he walk? Which 2?
He could walk
What are our least ones?
B and C.
So, if we did, let's see, A, can I do A, B, and C? No. What about B, C, and D? Yep. So B, C, and D, because those equal what? 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 3 is 13/10 of a mile, right? Oh, would that work? Nope, guys, that would not work. Because they said more than 15.
So instead we could do.
What about A, B, and D? Can we try that? A, B, and D. Let's try that. A plus B is what? 12? Plus 3 is
15, but that's not over 15.
okay. So can we do C instead of D? Okay. So A plus B is 12 plus C is 18. Would that work? Okay. We probably have some other options, right? Okay, but we'll stick with those for now just for time. Find the sum or difference. 3 6 plus 7 6. Can I go ahead and add those? Yes, because they have a what? Common denominator. What is 3 6 plus 7 6? 10 6. Is that simplified? No. Can 6 go into 10?
No.
Yes, one time. 1 times 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. And we keep the same denominator. Can that still be simplified?
Yes.
Yep. What goes into both 2 and 6? Or sorry, 4 and 6? 2, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is? So our answer is 1 and 2/3. 11 tenths minus 3 tenths. Can I go ahead and do that? Yes, because they have a what? Common denominator. So I'm left with what? 8 tenths. Can that be simplified? Yep. What goes into both 8 and 10? 2, right? 8 goes into, or 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my answer is 4/5. Okay, number 8. Can I go ahead and work that? Yep, because they have what? Common denominator. So 2/4 plus 3/4 is 5/4. 5/4 minus 1/4 is what? 4/4. And 4/4 equals what? 1 whole. Number 9. Can I go ahead and add those together? Yep, because they have what? Common denominators. 8/12 plus 6/12 is 14/12 plus 5/12 is 19/12. Is that simplified? No. How many times can 12 go into 19? 1 time. 1 times 12 is 12. 19 minus 12 is what? 7. And then I keep 12. Is that simplified? Yes. 7 is a prime number, right?